pink ear. Pink's my favorite color. Everybody come along with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 2 ears. Let's count. 1, 2. Can you find my hand? Hand. That's great. Blue hand. Where's hand? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Clap with me. Yay! Purple hand. Blow a kiss. Like this. Mwah! Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it and pat it and mark it with a B. And put it in the oven for baby and me. Purple hand. Red heart. I love this song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. My heart is red, my eyes are blue. Give me a hug. I love you. Green foot. Find foot. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Can you wiggle your toes? Level 3. Let's